What's going on, everybody? Happy, Saturday? I think today's Saturday. Yeah, today is Saturday, yeah. So, what's going on? What's going on, family? What's going on, YouTube? What up, what up? So, I am here today with, um, you know what? I'm slow. Okay. uh, uh, fried, deep fried uh, 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 God dang it. You know what? Why? Oh, no. I don't know what. Oh, I totally I forgot. Turkey tails. These are turkey tails. Fried turkey tails and 2 times spicy noodles. And I got some fried onions here. So what's going on? Oh, this is something else here. Let me go ahead and say my blessings. Amen, amen. Of course, I got my water. Yep, so I'm just going ahead and just do a few little moving around so I don't get nothing. I spilled everything on my white shirt, so I gotta take that to the cleaners. It's always money. Money, money, money. So I got me some fried onions. Of course, y'all, if y'all guys want some, and Lord of this. Look how good this is. Come on, get a piece of that. You're more than welcome to get a piece. So, sorry I didn't go live yesterday because my eyeballs was hurting. My eyeballs was hurting. You know what? Let me go ahead and say this because some of y'all might know, some of y'all don't know. But the ones who do know, I know. There's quite a few. But I'm just name off top. Leilani, CC, Uncut, DC, and Lisa. Valerie. I don't know. I don't know if anybody else knows. ATL. Oh, them things are so good. Mm, mm, mm. I'm hungry, guys. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh-wee. I'm gonna let you. You know what? What's this thing? I got the wrong one. Oh. Whew. Uh. I thought this was the black beans. Oh. Whew. The first spiciness today just. Oh, man. Whew. So, and you never had fried turkey tails, you sure don't know what you missing. I'm about to put me some hot sauce on these in a minute. You know what? I'm tired of feeding the floor. I'm buying me a grown man's bib. I'll make sure you have open pockets. When I'm eating it, food just drop right in. I could go back in that pocket and still eat it. Oh, boy. So if anybody wants to know, I boiled them. You know, still add some seasoning, add some onions. That's where the onions come in. And then I drained them way too, you know, water drain off of them. And I started adding flour, just a little flour, not much. And that's it. And deep fried them bad boy. I deep fried them. Deep fried them. Oh. Oh, man. These things are so good. I know a lot of y'all talking about, I don't eat the turkey tail. Or, I don't know what you mentioned. That little fat rendled down in the grease. It's not the fat you thinking eating off chicken or something, or a ham hock, a bunch of blubber. No. This is really cooked, really good here. And that's part of the fat. That's fat there, but it tastes like it tastes like you eat meat. You know, it's not fatty. Man, I'm gonna need two hands in a minute. I don't know how to keep one hand down. I never forget my grandmother said, I love that lady, boy, I tell you. What you need two hands for? I'm like, so you can eat your food. Don't be hollering at me like you crazy or something. I have to keep one hand down and one hand up. I mean, what the other hand supposed to do? Scratch? Like, oh, Mitchell, yeah. That hand down there is lonely. Cause his brother up there holding the food. You know what? These things are so good, but it's a pain. You gotta pull them little feather hair things out. You know, you can't eat them. So if I run into a piece, I definitely show you. I'ma show you. Oh. I got to forget here. Spicy. I definitely got the wrong pack today. I wasn't thinking, because I was flying in the air with Superwoman. Okay. Um. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Tastes so good, make you want to smack your daddy. Mama been smacked way too many times. Smack mama, you gonna have to run. She ain't giving up. You know what? It's just something dawned on me. I'm putting this on my meat, and I'm eating these old hot noodles. I almost cussed. Sorry for burping. Just go with the routine when you eating food. You don't never be burping when you talking and having fun. It's only burp when you on when you eating. Or you might be farting. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You gotta let that wind out. I tell you, I'm not holding no fart in. I'm letting it loose. Who's ever around, they're just gonna have to smell it. So I'm not holding it. But that don't have nothing to do with this food, though. I know I'm gonna stop because y'all be somebody farting. That's just nasty. You got problems. You know what? I noticed about these 2 times spicy noodles. Leave a comment in the comment box. Why do they put sesame seeds in here? It don't do nothing. It don't got no taste to it. Leave the sesame seeds out. Now the seaweed, it can stay. The seaweed is good. But I don't see what the purpose of the noodles. I'm gonna eat all this. You know what? It's so cold outside. Last night I had to go out there. I'm like, oh. I had to do something for my family. It was so cold. That's why I think the whole family of Jack Frost was right next to me. That's how cold it was. And what makes it so crazy, I put on my shoes, put on my coat. When I opened that door, I wasn't thinking. I was in my PJs. That's cold. For like it was trying to beat me. Oh man. You know what? There's gonna be one day I'm gonna sit down on that porch and I'm gonna ride about this street. Cause we got some characters over here. We really got some live characters over here. But see, It's one of them don't stay on this street. He don't stay over here when he get close enough. Checkmate! Checkmate! Oh, he be saying some crazy stuff sometimes. Huh? That's all the time. I could have had that man as a father, and he do have a son. I feel sorry for that child to put up with a retarded person like that. There's something wrong with his daddy. I ain't gonna lie about it. But that's okay. Everybody got issues. I just ain't the one dealing with them. Because you know why? I'm in the house eating turkey tail. Turkey tail. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. I had turkey necks. I had turkey tails today. What? I'm gonna have to start using my two hands now. Can't be sitting here trying to, you know what? Forget this. I'm about to get down. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. To the right, to the right, to the left, to the left. Slide, baby, slide. Slide, baby, slide. Get in there. Mm, mm, mm. Hmm. See, that's one of them. You can't eat them. I mean, you can get all of them out. I don't got no taste to them. You know, it's like somebody pull your hair, except they got to go inside just to pull it out. That didn't sound right. Mm, 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 mm. There's some good meat. That ain't sound right either. It's some good turkey tail. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, where have you been at? Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Do, 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 do. Ah. Mm, mm. Oh. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. You know what? So you got the little flop thing up there. I guess I don't know. I don't ask me what that's for. I'm not a chicken or a duck. I'm a human being slash bug man. That is so good. Mm-mm-mm. I think turkey is more better for anybody. Cause every time I eat chicken, I'm out. But if I eat turkey, I'm wide awake. Wide awake. Mm. This is so good. This right here, this right here, make a fat man happy. Mm. Well, pieces. I think I had enough. I'm full. Mm. Yeah, I'm tearing these bad boys up right here. They got so much flavor in it. Oh, I forgot I was holding this. Oh, one of them was in my hand. Well, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it since I'm holding it. What up? I'm out, y'all. Like, share, and comment. Mm, 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 mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. You know what? I'm gonna go live tonight, guys. Yeah. Once I get through editing this video and yep, I'm gonna go live.